Max and Toucan in the Rainbow Kingdom. Season 4, Episode 2. The Paint and the Yeti. They chose red and blue and began to paint the Yeti. Oops! That's not white, they both said. So they tried yellow and green. Then orange and brown. And they soon forgot they were supposed to paint him white. Max and Toucan were done, and they looked down. They were startled to see their work. Max and Toucan decided to pick up the bucket of water and threw it on the Yeti. And so they did that. Immediately, the Yeti woke up. "Who painted my fur?" he said. He was angry. Max and Toucan were frightened when the Yeti woke up. They had no idea what happened next this time. Splatter, thumper, punch, ouch, clang, clang, splash. Max and Toucan ran out of the cave. They did not see where they were going, and